So this is a guide on how to install mods in Minecraft. Now mods are one of the ways which you can change the way Minecraft looks or behaves. Now I'll be putting a link in the description that gives more explanation onto what mods are, where to get some of the good mods, and if mods are actually good for you or for your kids that play on Minecraft. So let's start up. So once you have your Minecraft opened, it's best to check what version you're on. So you just quickly navigate to launch options, and you could see I'm on the latest release or version 1.12.2. You could be in another version. It's going to be displayed here. The reason why you need to note this is that you need to download the mods that are targeted for that particular version. So to install mods, I normally recommend Forge. So we're going to head over to the browser and download Forge. Go to files.minecraftforge.net. I'm also going to put the link in the description, and you download the Forge that is compatible with the Minecraft version. So click on this, wait for a while, it opens up another ad website. So you're gonna wait some time, then you're gonna see skip here. After a while, this skip button is gonna be visible, so you click on the skip, then you wait a while, then your Forge it's ready for download. So just click on save and wait for it to download. Depending on how fast the network is, that will determine how fast Forge downloads. Now when it's done downloading, all you need to do is to run it. So I clicked on it, I click on run, and give it some time to open up. So now I'm done with my browser. I'll just close this. We don't need the browser anymore. So here is Forge. So Forge opens up with its installer. Now all you need to do is just to click OK, but make sure that you have it on install client, and that's all. Just click on OK. It's going to take a while. A message that says that it has successfully installed the Forge client. So all you need to do is click on OK. Now we're going to head back to our Minecraft. Now after your Forge has been downloaded, and if you initially had Minecraft open, the best thing is for you to restart Minecraft so that Minecraft would be able to know that Forge has been installed in it. So I'll just close this and restart Minecraft again. Okay, so we're back here. So I head over to launch options, and Forge is here. Now if you don't have Forge here after restarting your Minecraft, all you need to do is go to the top of this place and click on add new. Now you choose a name. I'm just gonna choose mod. I'll just call it Forge mod. Then I'll scroll down this down drop list here and look for the name that has Forge in it. So you can see this one says release 1.12.2, then there's a Forge in the name, so I choose this, and then I'm going to go back to news. Okay, so if I click this arrow pointing upwards, I'm able to select what Minecraft I should be running. Should I run the one with the Forge? Should I run just Minecraft alone? Now there's something you need to do. You need to run Forge for the first time for you to be able to start adding mods. So I'm going to select Forge, and I'm just going to click on play. I'll wait for it to play. And you can see the loading screen looks different, and you can see the Forge anvil over here. Now when your Minecraft opens, you would see you have an extra menu that says mods. So all we need to do right now is to quit Minecraft again and go look for mods to download. So you're going to navigate to 9minecraft.net. I'm also going to put the link in the description. Here you can browse a collection of so many mods. What the mods I like to use, I get most of them from here. So this mod is about making Minecraft look a bit realistic. So I'm just going to use this to test out if the mods are working. So it's always cool to go through the pictures, see what you're likely to expect when you install it. It also has a very little write-up here on how to install. So it says that we should install Forge, which we've done. We should locate the Minecraft folder. Now an easy way to do this is to follow this first instruction here. See, we should open the run and type this. So the way to open run is hold your Windows key and press R. Pops up your run. So you just type %app data with another % and hit enter. So you're going to browse to where you can see Minecraft. Okay, so you have it at the very top for mine because it starts with a dot Minecraft. Now you're going to see a mod folder. Now in this mod folder, we're going to paste any mod we download. So I'm just going to leave this open, head back to my website. I click on download. Let's say it's download from server 1. I'm going to click this blue button here and it should download. Okay, now when that's done, I'm going to copy this. So I'm going to open and I'll paste it in that mods folder. And that's it. And you're done. Now I have this mod installed. So I can close this and run Minecraft again. So make sure that I have Forge selected. I click on play.